Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the wheel on a Logitech G920. This is not a simple plug-and-play process. It requires careful disassembly and installation of a specialized adapter. The G920 was not designed for easy user-replaceable wheels. This method involves significant internal work. Remember, proceeding with this guide will certainly void any existing manufacturer's warranty on your device. Before starting, gather all necessary tools and components to ensure a smooth process. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic prying tool to prevent scratching the casing. Most importantly, you must have a high-quality, aftermarket wheel adapter made specifically for the G920, along with your chosen custom steering wheel. Begin by ensuring your G920 is completely unplugged from all power and USB connections for safety. Next, turn the base over and remove all 12 small Phillips head screws from the bottom casing. Once the screws are out, use your plastic prying tool to gently work around the seam, slowly separating the top and bottom halves. Exercise extreme caution, as delicate ribbon cables connect the two sections and can be easily damaged. With the casing open, gently disconnect the small electrical connector attached to the original wheel from the main circuit board. Then, remove the 3 screws that hold the stock wheel in place on the motor shaft. Now, carefully position your new aftermarket adapter onto the motor shaft and secure it firmly using the hardware supplied with the adapter kit. Finally, mount your new custom steering wheel onto the adapter, ensuring it is perfectly centered before tightening all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.